Dreo tower fan for bedroom, upgraded DC motor, 9 speeds, ultra-quiet cooling. Is it worth it? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing a product that's become a game changer in my everyday comfort. The Dreo tower fan for bedroom, specifically their upgraded model with a DC motor and 9 speed settings. If you're in the market for a powerful, whisper-quiet, and energy-efficient fan, stick around, because this one might just be what you're looking for. Cyclone first impressions, sleek and space-saving design. Right out of the box, the Dreo tower fan impressed me with its modern, minimalistic look. The matte black finish and slim profile make it a perfect addition to any bedroom or office setting. It's not bulky, it doesn't take up much floor space, and it looks a lot more premium than many fans in its price range. Assembly is quick and easy. It took me less than 5 minutes to get it up and running. Gear features that stand out. Here's where the Dreo really begins to shine. Small blue diamond 9 speed settings. The 9 different fan speeds are a major selling point. Whether you're looking for a gentle breeze at night or a powerful blast on a hot afternoon, this fan adjusts to your needs. I found the lowest setting to be perfect for sleeping, just enough airflow without any chill or noise. On the highest setting, it can easily cool a medium-sized bedroom. Small blue diamond ultra-quiet operation. This is truly where Dreo sets itself apart. The upgraded DC motor ensures whisper-quiet operation. Even on mid to high levels, the fan emits a subtle, non-disruptive hum, far quieter than traditional fans. It's ideal for light sleepers or anyone who wants cooling without the noise. Small blue diamond wide oscillation, 90 degrees. The oscillation is smooth and wide enough to circulate air throughout the entire room. It creates a balanced airflow that reaches multiple corners of the space, making it great for shared rooms or for placing in awkward corners. Small blue diamond energy efficiency. Thanks to the DC motor, this fan is extremely energy efficient. Over the past few weeks, I've noticed minimal changes in my electricity usage, even when running the fan almost continuously. That's a big plus for long-term summer use. Small blue diamond digital display and remote control. The control panel is intuitive and lights up clearly, easy to navigate even in the dark. The remote is compact but full-featured, letting you control speed, oscillation, timer, and mode from across the room. Super handy if you're already in bed and don't want to get up. Small blue diamond timer function. Another nice touch is the 1 to 12 hour timer, which is great if you want it to turn off automatically while you sleep. I use this every night, and it's a simple but effective energy-saving feature. Person in bed bedroom performance test. I tested this fan in a 12 by 14 foot bedroom during a week of 85 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit temperatures. Here's the breakdown. Cooling performance. It doesn't cool like an AC, but as a fan, it excels in maintaining a comfortable room temperature, especially when paired with good ventilation. Noise level. Measured less than 35 dB on low settings, nearly inaudible. On higher speeds, it's still quieter than most box fans or older tower models. Sleep quality. The white noise produced is actually soothing, not distracting. I slept better with this fan running. Repeat button pros and cons. White heavy checkmark pros. Whisper quiet operation. Wide oscillation for full room coverage. 9 speeds offer customized airflow. Sleek, modern design. Energy efficient DC motor. Easy to use digital controls plus remote. 12-hour timer for auto shutoff. Crossmark cons. Doesn't come with app or smart home connectivity. No built-in air purifier, just fan functionality. The remote isn't backlit, which would be a nice addition for nighttime use. Package what's in the box. Dreo tower fan, assembled in 2 parts. User manual. Remote control with batteries. Power cable, pre-attached. End arrow final verdict. Is the Dreo tower fan worth it? If you're looking for a high-performance, ultra-quiet, and stylish tower fan, the Dreo tower fan for bedroom checks all the boxes. The 9-speed DC motor offers impressive versatility, while the quiet operation and sleek form factor make it perfect for bedrooms, nurseries, and offices. Rating. White medium star, 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 4.8/5. This is easily one of the best fans I've tested in this price category. While it's not smart-enabled, the overall quality and performance more than make up for it. Shopping cart where to buy. If you're interested in grabbing one for yourself, I've linked it in the description below. It's available on Amazon and often goes on sale, so keep an eye out for deals. Waving hand, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review or found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more home tech reviews like this. Got a question about the Dreo fan? Drop it in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. Stay cool, and I'll see you in the next video.